This 2022 Newmar Dutch Star 4081 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 40 feet 9 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Mirage Graphics interior, sleeps floor, awning, leveling jacks, air conditioning, external shower, stove top burner, slideout, TV antenna, self-contained, TV, auxiliary battery, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2022 Newmar Dutch Star 4081 is built on a Freightliner XCR chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.